Detroit, join True Church Ministries for the kickoff of their 19th annual conference, Standing Still in Spite of the Storm.
Hi, this is Dr. Gregory Tukes.
And First Lady Dr. Angela Tukes. We are encouraging you to come out to our 19th annual conference, Standing Still in Spite of the Storm.
We have gone through a lot, but God has graced us to stand through these tough times, and we believe God wants to impart that same strength unto you. So come out, get your portion. Look forward to seeing you there.
Come for 5 days of powerful speakers, beginning Sunday, June 3rd at 4 p.m. Then return again for more exhortation Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, starting at 7 p.m. each evening. Finally, don't miss the culmination service Sunday, June 10th at 4 p.m. on the campus of True Church Ministries on Detroit's East Side, 19500 Shaner, 4 blocks south of State Fair. For more info, call 313-245-6984. That's 313-245-6984.